Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video like this. Thank you guys for all the love on my videos. I am so grateful, and I feel like this is already like a family to me. Thank you to each and every one of you. Please don't forget, I'm always available to answer your question. I always leave my WhatsApp contact in the comment section, in the description box, and my socials. You can reach me in any of them and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Okay, so today I want to start maybe like a series of answering questions and also giving recipes, because I always talk about giving recipes, but I haven't really given a lot of recipes on this channel. And yeah, so I want to start giving recipes. Please pardon my lighting. I'm using natural lights to shoot this video, so if the light swings from here to here, don't mind it. Okay, so today I'm going to be giving a recipe based on a request from a subscriber. She says she's pregnant and she doesn't want to use any harsh chemicals on her skin. What can she use to still keep her skin, buttery and all of that? And I want to give her a recipe, and I hope this also helps other people. This recipe is for, I call it pregnancy glow and stretch mark creams. Guys, my skincare page is now up and running, so whatever video I make on this channel, if you feel like you don't have chance to make this product and you want to buy, you can always reach me out in my skincare channel. Any of my channels, I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Also note that the ingredients I'm listing now, I now have available. I have organic ingredients for sale, so if you're thinking of where to buy like quality products and you don't want to go to the hassle, let me do that work for you. Okay, all right, so let's just get started. So this is the pregnancy glow and stretch mark creams. It is a butter formulation, so this is a buttery formulation. This is not cream, it is a body butter. Now, pregnant people are not supposed to use like creams and lotions. They're supposed to do more oils and butters on their skin, okay, because they're in a very delicate state and they definitely don't want to upset their natural skin and all of that. So this ingredient I'm going to tell you is for someone who is just making for herself. You can either multiply or triple the recipe however you want. Okay, now it says 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, a few drops of vitamin E, and any essential oil of your choice. Okay, so for this recipe you can tweak how you want. Okay, now coconut oil, definitely for someone who is dark skinned, can use coconut oil. Cocoa butter is for someone who's also dark skinned, and shea butter can also be used by dark and light skinned people. Okay, so if you're someone who is dark skinned, this recipe is going to be great for you. But if you're someone who is light skinned, you definitely want to substitute cocoa butter for mango butter and coconut oil for maybe carrot oil or any lightening oil of your choice. Okay, this you're going to melt the cocoa butter and shea butter and and allow to cool. When it's cool, then you add your oils and then you whip this up, and then you can apply on your body. Okay, this is going to be very effective for stretch marks and also making sure that you're keeping your skin moisturized and still maintaining your natural glow. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to making more videos like this. For this product, you want to store in a refrigerator because it's a butter, it can melt, so store in a refrigerator, which is actually advisable for you to store all your beauty products in a refrigerator and all of that. Okay, keeping an airtight container. This can also be used by kids. It's very okay for both kids and for adults. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye.